This 2023 Newmar Kountry Star 4068 is a Class A RV. It is located in Winter Garden, FL 34787 and is offered for sale by Independence RV Sales. This new Newmar is 40 feet 10 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, a Baja Decor, Glacier Glazed Maple Hardwood-MF interior, Sleeps 2, LP Detector, auxiliary battery, TV, self-contained, water heater, leveling jacks, awning, slideout, skylight, TV antenna, and 105 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bath and a half, front dinette, front entertainment, front living area, full wall slide, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, rear bath, rear bedroom, rear entertainment. This 2023 Newmar Kountry Star 4068 is built on a Freightliner XC-Series chassis and is powered by a Cummins engine. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Independence RV Sales, visit RVUSA.com.